Camillus KETO, 20 bucks at Cabela's. 420 stainless steel, 3.5 inch blade, G10 handle, bearing system. Looks like a deep carry pocket clip. Overall 8 inches. Lanyard hole, liner lock. It was the only one they had left. The lock is good. The lockup is good. Blue thumb studs. What is that? Midnight blue thumb studs? I don't know. Hardware. Let's just say midnight blue hardware. Deep carry pocket clip. Tip up. Just slightly off center. Ooh, that was a bad first flip. There we go. Light switch. There we go. I guess as I interact with these knives and get them, I like the drop point, and I don't mind if it's pointy like that on a drop point. I just don't like it on the buoy style, if that makes sense. So this reminds me of the CRKT Ruger LCK. It's definitely bigger than or thicker, wider than the CRKT CEO. And I looked at all those knives, and you know, 20 bucks for a knife I don't need, but like, I think this is a winner. So this is the Camillus KETO. Cool. Yeah, the selection at Cabela's in the store is kind of lackluster, so. But it's still an option for brick and mortar.